So we will see the GS-2 question today, and first one we have to write it here, and second one we have to write as a homework. Okay, so let's begin. So first question is that in an increasing tech-savvy world, access to technology has become a crucial factor for people's participation in governance and development. In this slide, critically assess the impact of technology on participative governance. Okay, so in this question, uh, first you have to, in the introduction, you have to write it about how the technology is changing the governance and development perspective. And just give one example, for example, GEM, Trinity and all. And then these are 10 markers, so try to write it three heading. So first heading will be the uh, governance. Okay, so first heading will be the impact of technology on participative governance. In the introduction, you can also define the participative governance because this is the keyword here. And if not, then just write it about how the technology is changing the governance and development. And second heading will be the challenge in the participative governance due to the technology. And third, you have to write about the way forward. So in this way you can write it down, and we don't have the limit on the content here because in the technology we have the number of material. So for example, in the challenges you can write it about the data localization, data privacy. In the data privacy you can give the example of Putaswamy government and all. So in this way you can complete it. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Balancing the depth and range of the RTI Act is crucial for ensuring transparency and accountability across the broader spectrum of the functionaries and officers in the government machinery. Examine. So directive word is the examine, and keyword is the RTI Act. So and this is the 15 marker. So we have to do like that, balancing. So in the introduction, just write it about the RTI Act, and in the first heading you should write it transparency and accountability across the broader spectrum of the government machinery. Okay, so first try to write it about the after introduction. First heading will be the depth of the RTI Act. Then you can say miss how many applications so far has been registered on that RTI and all that will be covered there, and then you can go with the ranges. What is the range? Wherever we can apply the RTI. For example, in the defense we cannot go with the RTI. So in the range we can cover that, and after writing all these, then and then you have to write a balance of the depth and range and all means. It should be the enabler to the citizen, means citizen-centric governance should be ensured by the RTI Act. But later on, you have to write it about the challenges of the RTI Act. What is the challenges you are facing? For example, nowadays officers are just giving the diplomatic answer on the RTI. So those are the challenges. So a number of challenges you can write, and ultimately you can write about the way forward. So anyway, just write it down and put your answer in the comment. We will see someone who is writing the better answer. We will try to evaluate. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye bye. Take care.